Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, now click settings, and now here you'll find this notification settings. Here you can manage your notification settings on Pinterest and by email and by push notification, and that's it for today. That's how to find notification settings easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.